This is our pharmaceutical production facility. It's grade A and B. Today we are filling the very first batch of Valneva's vaccine candidate against COVID-19. This vaccine contains inactivated virus and adjuvants. This is actually the very first vaccine candidate produced with this type of technology in Europe. And it's super exciting, and I'm really proud of the work that the team has achieved here. The vaccine bulk is produced in Scotland. We start by homogenizing the final bulk vaccine using a wave rocker. And when it has been homogenized, we connect the bag to the filling machine and we start filling.
Today is a very special day when we're starting this work. It's something that we've been preparing for a long time, and it's very exciting to be able to do this work. And I'm proud of all the operators working here because they put a lot of effort into this work. So that's very exciting. Today we are performing the visual inspection of the first batch of the clinical COVID vaccine candidate. They inspect every vial to make sure that we don't have any particles or anything that's wrong with any of the vials.
It feels very powerful to be involved in an important project like this, and I feel very proud to be a part of it.